Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my channel. We going over the i12 AirPods. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, one of the things I love about YouTube is that as you grow, you get random emails from different brands and different companies wanting you to review their products or even send you products for free. And I got an email. I was checking my email and somebody wanted to send me these i12 AirPods for me to do a review on. So I'm about to review this product for y'all, and just so you can see what they are. These obviously are AirPods. I was never really an AirPod fan, but when somebody said they was gonna send me them for free, I'm like, go ahead, send them through. Now, I already opened them, I already unboxed them. This is the case they come in. I chose the white. It was a couple of other colors I could have chose, like mint, black, red, but I just got the white, like the iPhone white. You can see it's a charging port on the bottom here. This is the power on button. When you see the blue light, that means it's fully charged. Red means we're ready to be synced up here. And like you see my iPhone right here, I got it in the background. If I open these up, and take them out, let me show you. If I take them out the case next to my iPhone, you will see the AirPod connect symbol come on. You press connect and you're able to connect them. Now you can see right here, the AirPods is 100% and the case is also 100%. So, I'm not too familiar with how this works, but I'm guessing the case can even charge the AirPods if the case is fully charged and your AirPods die out. So that's cool, man. These make me feel like I'm in the future. Now we go to done. This is my song right here playing. Now it got good sound quality to me. We can cut it on and cut it off. Hold on. Yeah, right here. There's a lot of touch feature. There's a lot of touch features on these. I'm not 100% familiar with them, but I'm about to, go through it and figure them out, as I use them more. But I really like them, man. You can see they came with a little manual. Put them down real quick. They came with a little manual, Say it take about 70 minutes to charge. Charging box. Let's cut that off. Oh shit, come on. There we go. Alright, now we back on it. So you see they came in a lot of different colors too. Mint, orange, white, gray, black, Shout out to my Chinese plugs, man. Shout out to my Chinese homies out there. Auto power, auto pairing. Use Siri on here. Yeah, man. I like them. I like them a lot, man. And like they really stay in your ear. They really stay in your ear for a long time. And it ain't like like they don't fall out your ear. Like you can do the waka flocka, you know what I'm saying? You can shake your head, all type of shit. They won't fall out. So yeah, I like these AirPods a lot. When you put them back in, you see it's like this magnetic. You look on the bottom, it's like metal. They got like a magnetic, magnetic connectivity type thing. See how the AirPod look? Got a lot of sound, acoustic, design. But these really hook in your ear for real. They hook real good in your ear. You see how they kind of got a curve to it. It fit right in the mold of your ear. Charging case. Always put them back in here. I activated Siri on my shit. So it's like touch, you can See, I gotta get the hang of these. These motherfuckers still playing. Alright, let's see something. So I just cut them off, right? If they still on, you could put them in a box and press this button and cut them off. You see, we learning this together, man. The YON World is a family, man. So, yeah. But, let me see, let me go back. Let me go back. Alright, so let's see if you just open them. I wonder. No, you gotta take them out. So you gotta open them and take them out, and then they connect like that. That's sweet. Hold on, let me press connect. Connecting. Did I do it wrong? Oh no, it's connected. Yeah, 100%, man. So, man, yeah, shout out. If y'all want to send me anything, y'all can email me at yonworld7@gmail.com. It's probably a second product I got. I got some vapes for free, and I got these for free. So, shout out to everybody that watch my channel and that support me and that send me stuff. You know, I like these. I would have never bought these. I'm gonna be honest. Like, I was never an AirPod fan. Like, I was never like a person that liked AirPods, but I'd be seeing everybody with them. And you know, I listen to audiobooks in my meditations at night. So I had tried these out last night for the meditation, and I like it. Like, it's a new feeling, because I never had wireless headphones. Like, I haven't had wireless headphones. You can see right here, like, even my main headphones I use when I record and do screen recordings and stuff. You know, these headphones wired, and I never had wireless headphones. So just being able to walk around the house, and it got some range. Like, I could walk around my whole apartment and you know, and still be connected. Like, my phone could be on the charger in my room, and I could have the meditation audio playing. I could be in the kitchen, you know, cleaning up. I don't have to have the phone like right on me or right next to me. And that feeling, you know, I like that feeling of, you know, being able to still be connected to the phone, but it's not on you. So yeah, it comes with a little charger also, a little Apple stock charger. You know, it's pretty secure in there, you know. So you could also charge it in the laptop. Charge it in the laptop if it'll go in, if I put it in the right way. Charge it in your laptop, you know. You see the red beep, that means it's charging. When you get that red beep, you know. So I like it. They're making this weird noise. Can y'all hear that? That's how you know I meditate too much. I can hear all type of frequencies. Oh, that just means they probably just wanted to connect. But yeah, man. So we got the AirPods. I can't really do a compare and contrast to the real AirPods. So these are the Chinese AirPods, but everything made in China. So, you know, these is close as I'm gonna get, because I'm not buying no real AirPods. That's for y'all, you know. But yeah, I really like, you know, these AirPods right here. You can see the i12 fully charged. These are the latest. You know, these are the newest. I guess it was a lot of versions of the AirPods. But these are the latest version of the AirPods. You know, flash blue. I like that little flash blue right there. You know, every couple seconds, probably like every 5-10 seconds, just flash blue real quick. And Yeah, I like that. I guess that show they fully charged. And you can just lock and load. I like this. There's a lot of magnetic connectivity. The plastic is, it's durable. It's some durable plastic. Not the best, but it's durable. Feel more plastic than metal. This little piece right here. When I first opened it, I thought I broke it, but it's like a little, that's how it snapped. So yeah, it's your boy YON World. If y'all want something like this, I have a link, an Amazon link in the description. You can try this out. But yeah, AirPods is the future. I really feel like I'm in the future with these. You could work out, you can clean up around the house, have your phone on the charger, listening to your favorite music. You don't have to hold your phone and be right there. Once I figure out all of the, functions, I'm gonna be cold with these mods. As far as like these functions right here, I don't know if y'all can see them. It's not focusing on that. Yeah, once I get cold with all these functions right here, the right ear, left ear, it's hard to see it though. I know it's hard to see that jump. Oh yeah, maybe y'all can see it better from afar, but the left ear, right ear, touch position, answer call, connect to the lower, connect right, upper. Yeah, I gotta get this right. I just really got these, yesterday. I just had to check the mail. But yeah, so we got the AirPods, man. Get you some AirPods 2020. It's your boy YON World. This is my video for the day. Make sure y'all leaving the likes and commenting and all of that on this video. I'm out. Peace.